Good day, folks. Accompany me on my daily's rideshare adventures, where we'll encounter the most incompetent, inadequate, incoherent, law-obedient, and responsible Georgia drivers. Nothing better than a dose of a mental anguish in the Georgia daily traffic. Let the odyssey and torture begin.
Don't turn signal. How am I supposed to know you're going that way?
Vehicles stopping up front, while this truck driver recklessly cut me off. A black Dodge pickup truck believing he's in the movie Fastly Stupid and Furious, taking a chance on a deceiving open space at the right side of the reckless truck driver. And for some reasons no one knows, some dudes are doing a milk heist in broad daylight in the middle of two merging exit ramps. Probably due to the inflation and the high milk price. Welcome to Georgia, USA, folks. The place where some people are on hurry. Some people need to go on a hurry. Others cut you off on a hurry. Because when they are on a hurry, they need to go, they got to go, and nothing can delay their trip to the bathroom. It could be this individual is hauling a stolen trailer and he's on a hurry. Or he was born and raised in Miami, Florida, and that is how they do the stops. Nothing unusual, folks. A total of a conundrum and a little bit perturb encounter to others, but not for us, due to the fact that some Floridians moved to Georgia.
You don't know that I'm going to even do it. You don't know. I may do it. I may not do it. I mean, nobody knows what I'm going to do.
From this moment on, the situation here demands that each vehicle from each lane merges into a zipper pattern lane, which means one vehicle first from one lane, and then the other one from the other lane, and vice versa. But not everyone knows how the zipper pattern works, or they do not care because, in accordance with their own entitlement, it makes them believe they deserve to be there first, and that the other driver is trying to bypass the line and get in front. And that is how accidents and traffic jams are created.
And here she is Mrs. Opportunist, entitlement at her best, believing she has to be here because she owns a Cadillac and that makes her entitled and better. I even utilized a British accent to make it sound more proper for her entitlement.
Of course, she has to take it slow because she is Mrs. Entitlement, and her entitlement attitude rushes others, but they don't like to be rushed. Only a sudden booty phone call can make you do an U-turn like that. Whoa. He is definitely going to get some.
In the wild, one of the common attitudes and behaviors of an outcast male chimpanzee is to act tough, with a wannabe aggressive attitude and an inadequate alpha impersonation.
And suddenly out of the blue, like a ghost on a hurry with diarrhea, Mr. Fast and Incompetent show up driving a weed walker. These are the kind of people who like to drive a little in one lane and a little in the other because their lives are as indecisive as their thoughts. They are society's conundrum. This is normal behavior at the Atlanta airport due to the fact that it's under construction and people get confused because they don't know how to read. They don't care how to read. They don't care about reading. Or their mental capacities are not adapted to fast reading while vehicles driving. Nevertheless, it's also a society's conundrum.
When the vulture realized that it had been spotted, it flew away quickly, grabbing distance like a hot, wet fart on an elevator.
That is all for today, folks. Join us next time at our next video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button so you will be notified of your new video. Thank for the support you give us when you like and subscribe to your channel. Doing so, it helps to improve and brings you more and better content of the finest Georgia drivers.